it's Mackenzie again from the Jackson County Library System. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to make the candle in our Wax Granule Candle Kit for tweens and teens. So that is for grades 5th through 12th, and they're completely free. You can get them at any of the 3 libraries. And these 3 things, the wax granule with the scent in there, a wick, and a candle tin are all in the kit. And I want you to go grab a pair of scissors and a ruler if you have it. If you don't have one handy, you can kind of eyeball it later on. So the first thing we're going to do is add the scent to the candle. And that's what's in this little pipette, has your scent. And these wax granules will all melt down and become your candle. And on your bag, on the instructions, it actually says what scent you have. So if you don't like the scent, you don't have to use it. But I'm going to put mine in, so I'm just going to squeeze that all out. And put the lid back on tight. And kind of shake it all up so it gets all over those granules. There we go. Okay. Next, we're going to get our wick out, and you're going to kind of want to straighten it on there because it probably bent. So I'll push that so it goes a little more straight. And then you're going to try and place it in the middle there. Okay, so that's where we're going to want it. Now you're going to have to let it go while you open up this. So you'll need both hands. Okay. So now we're going to place our wick and start pouring in our wax granules. And these are beeswax, actually. And we're just going to pour it in around that wick. Can kind of place it in there. And as you can see, I'm a little messy with it. So if you'd want to do this on like a paper plate or something, so they don't fall on your table, since they are covered with some scent, you can do that. If you want, you can just get the last of those in there. Place it. And these wax granules make really easy candles. And there are colored granules. So if you wanted to do a project on your own at home, you could get a glass jar that you can use for a candle. And you could actually get those colored ones and make like a rainbow candle out of these wax granules. Okay, so we've got it. Got our wick in the middle. So now we want it about 1/2 inch above the top of our granules. So I'm going to cut it about there. So we go here and a little cut. And position it. You can kind of press these granules down if you want. And easy as that. Now you have your candle, and you can just put the lid there if you want until that wick burns down. Otherwise, you can put the lid on and it'll just kind of fold over for a bit. So when you light the candle, all of these little granules will melt together, and you'll end up with a whole candle just like if you had put these on the stove. So there we have it. That is our November craft for tweens and teens. It's a wax granule candle. And this tin you see here is just one of 4 different kinds, so you never know what you're going to get as your tin. And there's different scents, so it'll be a little surprise when you pick up your kit. So you can give us a call, schedule a time, and we will get you your free kit for November. Have fun!